Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're looking at the addition and subtraction of surds. And there are just a couple of things to say. First of all, it's not hard. It's sometimes a little bit laborious, but it's not a difficult topic. The other thing to say is that there are a couple of rules surrounding this. Where the surds are the same, we can add them. Where they are the same, we can subtract them. Note, I am pointing at this part of this expression. I'm not pointing at the numbers outside of the square root sign. So we can add or subtract expressions with root 3 in them. It's no problem at all. The answer to this is 5 root 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. We can put a 1 there if we want, otherwise that's just perfectly acceptable as it is. Okay. This is where we run into trouble. 2 root 5 plus 2 root 3 is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 3. There's not a great deal that you can do about that. You can probably take out a common factor, put these in brackets, but so it might look like this. Let's get a bracket there. 2 root 5 plus root 3, but it's the same thing. Basically, you can't put these together because they are not. They're not the same. Same goes for this. So it's going to equal 2 root 5 minus 2 root 3, and so on. Okay, so very, very simple rule. If these are the same, you can add or subtract them. If they're not, forget about it. With one little wrinkle. There's always this little proviso. Now, have a look at this. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 27 minus root 50 plus 6 root 3 plus root 8. Now, I'm not exactly eating my words, but it is possible to put some of these together, even though we've got root 2, root 27, root 50, root 3, and root 8. What we need to do is we need to do some sorting out. We need to do some simplifying. 3 root 2 is not a surd we can change, so we're just going to write that here. 6 root 3 is another one that we cannot change. Why? Because we've got as far down the factor tree as possible. This is a prime number, this is a prime number. We're not going to be going any further. 2 root 27, we'll keep a minus in front of it. 2 root 9 times 3. You can see where this is heading. So this will be negative 2 root 9 times root 3. Get a little multiplication sign in there. So the square root of 9 is 3, so that's negative 2 times 3 times root 3. So that is minus 6 root 3. Good heavens. That's a surprise. Okay. Now, did I leave myself enough room here? Hopefully. This one, negative root 25 times 2. Negative root 25 times root 2. That is minus 5. square root of 25 is 5, so subtract 5. Root 2. So that is minus 5 root 2. Sorry, this got a bit cramped on me. Okay, root 8. 4 times 2. Root 4 times root 2. Oh, I got it on the wrong line. That happens. It's a good idea to try and be tidy. I'll just finish this and give you a little lecture about tidiness. I'm in no position to lecture really, but anyway, there we go. So that's 2 root 2. Square root of 4 is 2. We don't do anything with that. So it is plus 2 root 2. So let's do some tidying up. Negative 6 root 3 and positive 6 root 3 cancel out. And we have 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2. So let's get these in a slightly different order so that you can see exactly what is happening. Well, 3 and 2 is 5, minus 5 is 0. That's our answer. Now, a couple of points. You will have noticed my setting out, which is not the neatest, but I do try. I try to keep these in columns, and I work down the page, simplifying the surds that I need to simplify. The surds that I can see I can't simplify, I simply give myself some room, bring them down the page, and eventually what I do is I get the whole thing together. So, just to go through one of these as an example kind of quickly, again, minus or negative 2 root 27, that's 9 threes, 9 times 3. Find the square root of that because we can. We leave that as a surd. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 root 3, which of course cancels that one out. And that is the more laborious form of addition and subtraction of surds. I was not expecting that answer. I thought we would have a couple of things to deal with. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that was useful. See you next time.